Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I'm here with the ipsy Glam Bag. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings, and giveaways. I do have a monthly giveaway going on right now, as well as we will have milestone giveaways, so every 100 subscribers up to 1,000, and then milestones after that. So I'll put a link in the description box down below for the current giveaway that's going on. So I signed up for the ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and when I did that, I thought they were gonna stop I thought that just automatically meant that I was not going to get the Glam Bag anymore, so I was really surprised to get this one. And I haven't decided yet if I should keep the Glam Bag, because it's $10 a month, on addition to the Glam Bag Plus, because the Glam Bag mainly has samples in it. And it's a good way to kind of figure out which products you like, which ones you love, you know, which ones you're gonna pass on, versus the full-size, you know, items and in the Plus. And I do like getting the Plus as well. And sometimes they do throw full sizes in these too. So let's dive into this box. It does have a cute little glittery kind of rose gold makeup bag. It has some of the products in here, and then it has this pink liner in it. I do think you're not gonna want to throw this in your purse, because I think you will find the glitter all over everything in your purse. So these products were not even in the bag. They were just in the larger bag itself. They weren't in the little makeup bag. This is from BIORACE, B-I-O-R-A-C-E, BIORACE. It's their Intense Hydrating Spirulina Mask. Ooh, I love that it has spirulina in it. Spirulina Mask hydrates, replenishes, and calms skin, soothes sensitive skin and tired skin, deeply absorbs and boosts moisture content of skin. It's loaded with antioxidant-rich free radical fighting spirulina. The sheet mask saturates dry, dehydrated skin with moisture. And we love how inclusive the brand's mission is. BIORACE focuses on natural beauty, not only for women, but all mankind. Tip: wash your face, apply toner if you want, then apply the mask. Remove after 15 minutes and gently pat the remaining essence into your skin. For those of you that are new to my channel, I do a masking series where I try on different masks, review them, give you your feedback. And I'm in the middle of doing a hydration series right now. So look for this in an upcoming masking video. Also outside the box was the F.A.R.A.H 22E Shade and Blend Brush. It is dual-sided. This brush specifically made for ipsy. The brand's goal is to create luxurious, high-quality, affordable products. This stylish dual-ended product is also versatile. Use it to apply and blend shadows, contour, highlight, and more. Plus, who can't resist an eye-catching iridescent handle? Tip: use this brush to apply concealer under your eyes, set under eye makeup with powders, highlight the inner corners of your eyes, and contour small areas like your nose. It does retail for $22. I'm not a person who uses dual end brushes, because I have a little, you know, cup that I put all my brushes in, and it's just bad for your brushes if you put it down on here. And so they just wind up lying flat. And so they go in the back of my drawer, and then you never see them. So I am happy to give this one in one of those giveaways that I talked about. From the Body Crop is a bronzer in Sardinia Sand. It is inspired by healthy living and natural ingredients. This brand utilizes plant ingredients and natural oils in all their products. The Cool Tone Bronzer, which I do like that it has cool tones instead of the warm tones. Gives you a sun-kissed glow, blends easily, and is made with antioxidant-rich green tea extracts to nourish your skin. Tip: use a fluffy brush to sweep the bronzer wherever you need some warmth, like onto your temples and the hollows of your cheeks, along your jawline and décolletage. I love putting bronzer even just right here to kind of hide this like the bullshit thing, wobbly thing everybody's got going on. So I'm happy about this because I just, in my current bronzer, I've been using this kind of Profusion palette here, but I have recently hit pan. So I'm excited to get a new bronzer. So here's what it kind of looks like. I don't know if it's going to be too light. You're going to have to really, I'm going to have to really build it. It is buildable. It's kind of got a creamy texture. And then kind of looks like that on hand. So it's very, very subtle. I almost wish that was a little darker for me. Full size of this just retail for $10. From Naked Cosmetics. It is their loose pigment in the Painted Crayon number 6. It's kind of a purplish brown loose pigment. Retails for $9.99. The Naked Cosmetics products are made without fillers like oil, wax, or talc that can be damaging to your skin. So love that. Update your smoky eye with this charcoal burgundy fleck shade. They're highly pigmented, finely milled, and blends out easily with your fingers or brush. For a smoky effect, use a damp, dense shader brush to blend the loose pigments onto your eye crease and pat the outer corners of your eyes. Smudge along the lower lash line. I'm not a loose pigment girl unless it comes to glitters. Is the only time I kind of mess with them. So I'm going to put this one in one of those giveaways too. Ooh, lastly is a brand I've been wanting to try. It is PIXI. It is PIXI by PETRA H2O Skindrink. Founded by a working mama of 4, PIXI by PETRA is all about products that make multitasking easy. Made with healthy ingredients like green tea, aloe vera, rosemary extract, and this skin quenching gel formula cools, refreshes, heals, and protects skin. Apply a dime-sized amount of gel to a thin layer all over clean skin and let it soak in. Pop it in your fridge overnight when you apply it in the AM and help depuff your skin. I always put my skincare in the fridge because putting it in the fridge works. I love that this brand is also cruelty free. A full size of this retails for $22, so not too bad. So I am anxious to give this one a go. So if I add up everything, it's $42 plus the samples in here. And so not bad for your $10 a box. So let me know if you think I should still keep getting the Glam Bag in addition to the Glam Bag Plus. So we got the PIXI the PIXI H2O Skindrink. We got the shader brush from F.A.R.A.H, the Naked Cosmetics Loose Pigment, the bronzer by Beauty Crop, and the 2 skin masks by BIORACE. I think that these and the PIXI ones are my favorites in here. What were your favorites? Let me know if you got the same thing, if you got something different. Let me know if you think I should still keep getting this. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys, have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.